Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nurhan, and today I will present about importance of proper PPE and clothing in the workplace. Especially in electrical sites. So, proper personal protective equipment (PPE) and clothing are crucial for worker safety and environmental sustainability in various industries. Wearing the right gear can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, and injured workers can perform their tasks safely and responsibly. So, example of appropriate PPE is such as hat or helmet for head protection, safety glass or goggle for eye protection, earplugs or earmuff for hearing protection, mask or respirator for respiratory protection, glove for hand protection, safety shoes or boot for foot protection. So, in this example is appropriate protective clothing. We have reflective vests for high visibility, fire-resistant jackets or fans for protection against fire or thermal hazards, coveralls or apron for chemical-resistant protection, and hazmat suits for full body protection in hazardous environment. So in electrical, we have to wear glove, safety boot, and safety vest. And for clothing, we have use hazmat suit or fire resistant jacket. So we can reduce high of electric against us. So we go to the next slide. So why appropriate protective clothing at work are important? For safety first, we have we have to prevent serious injuries on the job. So second one is environmental responsibility. Proper workwear made from durable eco-friendly material helps minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact of operation. And last one is comfort and productivity. We have work in comfort, so the work can 100% finish. So the next slide is PPA according to standard operating procedure. So number one is hazard identification. Carefully assess the potential risks and hazard in the work environment, so determine the appropriate PPE. In this electrical installation, we have to know what the hazard in electrical. So we already know the hazard is electric. So the second one is choose PPE that meet industry standard and provide the necessary protection for the specific task and condition. In electrical, we have to use glove, mask, jacket, and safety belt, and the others. And the last one is proper use and maintenance. Ensure workers are trained on the correct use and care of PPE to optimize its effectiveness and lifespan. So we go to the next slide. Maintenance and inspection of PPE. Number one is regular inspection. Regularly inspect PPE for sign of wear damage or defect to ensure it continues to provide the necessary protection. Second is proper cleaning and storage. Clean and store PPE according to the manufacturer instruction to maintain its integrity and extend its useful life. Timely replacement. Replace any damaged or worn out PPE to maintain the highest level of safety and environmental compliance. So we go to the next slide. It's about energy saving device in electrical installation. So we have four. Number one is LED lighting. LED lights are highly energy efficient, reducing electricity consumption and carbon footprint in electrical installation. Number two, motion sensor. Automatic light control that turn off light when areas are unoccupied, further minimizing energy use. Number three is smart thermostat, intelligent temperature control system that optimize HVAC efficiency and reduce energy use. Number four, energy efficient appliance. Implementing energy-saving equipment and appliances in electrical installation can significantly lower energy consumption. So the next slide is technology for energy reduction. We have number one is solar power, wind power, energy efficient appliance, smart thermostat. We already explained this. For solar power is generating renewable energy from the sun, and wind we already know from the wind. Go to the next slide. Implementing energy saving measure. Number one, assessment. Conduct a thorough assessment of the electrical installation to identify areas for energy saving. Number two, planning. Develop a comprehensive plan to implement energy efficient technologies and practice. Number three, implementation. Carefully execute the plan ensuring proper installation and integration of energy saving device. Number four, monitoring. Continuously monitor and optimize the performance of the energy saving measure to maximize their impact. So the next slide, the next and last slide, sustainable practice in electrical installation. For number one, waste management. Properly dispose of electrical waste and recycle materials to minimize environmental impact. Number two, water conservation. Implement water efficient technologies and practice to reduce water consumption in electrical installation. Number three, renewable energy. Integrate renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to reduce reliance on non-renewable resources. Number four is energy efficiency. Utilize energy efficient equipment, appliances, and control systems to optimize energy uses and minimize carbon emission. So that's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.